Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture, we will solve examples related expressing percentages as a fraction as well as expressing fractions as a percentage. So let's start that how can we express a percentage as a fraction. For example, if you are given to convert 88% into a fraction. So when it is required to remove the percent sign, so we add 100 in the denominator and you will start reducing it. Okay, we have discussed in one of the lectures of fraction. So start reducing it. 2 times 4 8 and 2 times 50 is 100, and again just rewrite or you can simplify. 2 times 22 44 and 2 times 25 is 50, and we have 22 upon 25. Can we further reduce it? No. So this is an answer. So 88% is expressed in the form of a fraction 22 upon 25. Let's take one more example of 128%. So when you need to convert it into a fraction, just write 100 in the denominator and start reducing it. 2 6 times 12, 2 4 times 8, and rewrite it 64 upon 50 and start reducing it again. 2 times 64 and 2 times 25 is 50. Again reduce it. 2 1 and 16. 2 16 times 32, and but we cannot reduce it to 25. So just stop reducing it. Your answer is 32 upon 25. Wait, remember, what did I tell you? That if you have the denominator less than the numerator, so we can write it in more simplified form. How? Just by dividing it. 32. 25, 1 times 25, subtracted, and you will get 7. So your final answer will be in the mixed fraction form. One whole number 7 upon 25. So 128% is expressed in the mixed fraction form, which is one whole number 7 upon 25. Now, how can you express a fraction as a percentage? Let's start. Number 1, how can you express 17 upon 20 into a percentage form? We discussed in the introduction to percentage video that we must need to have 100 in the denominator, because the percentage is defined as 100 parts. So we need to convert this 20 into 100. How? Just by multiply this denominator with the 5, and again to balance, to keep the balance, and we need to multiply the same number in the numerator also. What we will get? You can do multiplication as the part of your rough work. Okay, 85 upon 100. So how will you write? Do you remember? So I can write 85%. Okay. So what is the percentage representation of 17 upon 20? Is 85%. Now convert. Now convert 1 upon 4 into percent. What is the method? That we need to change this 4 into 100. How can we do it? Just by multiplying with a 25. What we will have? 25 upon 100, and simply we can write 25%. There is one important thing. How can you write 200 upon 25 into a percentage? Again, you need to convert this 25 into 100. How can we do that? By multiplying with 4. Multiply the numerator also with 4. What you will get? 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 upon 100. What will your answer be? 800%. So a percentage can have the value more than 100%. You could have 200% also, 300% also, and so on. So percentage can be more than 100%. So this is all for today. Thank you.